The most beautiful women in the world can have insecurities. Let's take Beyoncé, for example. Known for her incredible talent, beauty, and confidence. Growing up, the other kids used to make fun of her ears, calling them big. She seems to have grown into them. She has also admitted to struggling with parts of her body, particularly her arms, and much recently her chin and belly. She does, however, own her flaws and all. She even wrote a song about it, which goes to show how